let's try again. Between dead batteries and memory cards. This thing don't like me. Don't know where I left off. Don't know where it died. Thankfully, there's such thing as edit. Sandpaper will clean up the areas that need repaired. I think that one's going to be okay. That looks more like a bubble. Mine is these. Problem's right here. I think that's all of them. Like I said, I done the research. Only way to repair these is plastic weld. My understanding, plastic weld is not going to hold long. It's really kind of junk. It's a temporary fix. But I watched Small Engine Saloon, like that channel. It's kind of funny. He says that the tank he repaired, it was a 1 beer repair. Mine is probably be more of a 3 beer repair. We know how my work goes. You'll make sure your tank's empty, of course, kind of cleaned out. Now, we got these done. Soldering iron. The way he says to do it. I ain't used a soldering iron in a while. Make sure my cord's not hung up. A little different. Just take, kinda run this down the crack. Kind of clean it out, and then you want to just kind of move this around and fill the crack up with what you have here. Found a new use for a soldering gun. Never really used a soldering gun. A couple of times, but nothing major. And that should seal that crack. We'll find out. Move over here to this one. It's not leaking, but I don't want to take a chance. Clean it out. Give me a little groove. Gotta learn how to use this thing. It's a little different than what I'm used to. Run a tattoo gun, but ooh, that's a little hot. I'm a little closer to the end of it with that. And he claims he's never had any of these come back. We'll see. I hope this works for me as well as it does him. I'm just kind of flattening. It ain't gonna be all that pretty, but nobody is going to see it, so. I don't see no other cracks or anything. It's cracking all down through here too, so. think the tank's about dry rotted. We'll do what we can with it. And what we may have to do is just eventually find one in better shape. Not sure how I'm going to find one in better shape though. It didn't have a whole lot to choose from. Go ahead and go over them just to make sure. Alright. My issue is going to be this little sucker here. It's in the neck. It's honestly right there in the neck. Harvest me some plastic. I'm just taking what melts without going too deep and moving it over here where I need it. Don't want to go too deep. Phew. Burning plastic. I'm gonna go ahead and work my way all the way around this. I don't see any more cracks, but just be on the safe side. I think I got that crack filled up. Hey, maybe it was a one-bear operation for me too. Probably would have helped if I'd done this out in the sun instead of standing here in the garage. Probably would have been able to see my cracks a little better. There's another one there, I think. Do know I was pouring out some fuel. now I'm not. So probably end up having to repair some more on here after I ride it some. I just don't like this little area here. A bunch of little, looks like this little fractures. I think I'm getting away from y'all. Alright, so if those was cracked, there were no more because I just got rid of them. Comes down to it, I may have to steal some of that. Looks like it's all sealed. Alright. Shouldn't have to worry about leaking fuel no more. Make sure I unplug this so it can cool off. Last thing I want is the baby to get a hold of that. So, repaired the fuel tank. Now, we're just down to greasing it up and getting that starter button to go. Once we get that starter button to go, we're doing good. See y'all the next time. Like and subscribe. Please, come on. Don't care if you don't watch every video, it don't matter, just subscribe, okay? If you watch it one time, hit subscribe. Come on. Help my man out. Peace.